Good morning, students. In this module, we will learn about the singular matrix. What do you mean by a singular matrix? A matrix, a square matrix whose determinant is 0, that is called the singular matrix. For example, we have taken this matrix. If we want to check whether it is singular or not, we will take its determinant. We are taking its determinant is what? 6 minus 6, that is 0. It means A is singular. So a matrix whose determinant is 0, that is called singular. And if its determinant is not 0, it is non-zero, then it is called non-singular. And A inverse exists for non-singular matrix, because in the last module I have told you that what is A inverse? A inverse is adjoint A by determinant A. So it is possible, A inverse is possible only if determinant A is non-zero, means it is possible only for non-singular matrices. Now there is one question. A is given to you this is a matrix, and you have to show this result: a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0, hence find A inverse. This is the question of NCERT book. So this is given to you. Firstly, you have to find two things. Firstly, you have to show this equation is 0, and secondly, you have to find A inverse from this result. So firstly, we will prove this result. What is A square? A square is A into A. So we will find firstly A square by multiplying A with A. It is coming out 8,5 minus 5,3. Then we will take the left hand side of this equation. It is what? A square minus 5a plus 7i. Then we will keep the value of A square, then minus 5a, and then plus 7. Right? This is 7i. I is what? 1001. Clear? Now when we will keep the values of A square, A and I, this equation will become automatically 0. The matrix coming out is 0, 0, 0, 0. It means it is a null matrix. First part you have proved. You earlier also you have done these type of questions. Now after proving this, we will find A inverse. So how can we find A inverse? What you will do, you will take this equation, name it as equation number 1. You will pre-multiply or post-multiply this equation by A inverse. Here I am post-multiplying equation 1 by A inverse. So multiply left hand side by A inverse, right hand side also by A inverse. On right hand side it is 0 into A inverse is 0, and here A square A inverse minus 5a into A inverse plus 7i into A inverse, means this A inverse will get multiplied with all the entries inside this bracket. So now if the bases are same, the powers will get added. So you will get A raised to power 1 means A. Here A into A inverse is I, and I into A inverse is A inverse, because something multiplied by I is same. So A inverse equal to 0. Now keep the term which contains A inverse on left hand side and shift the other entries on the other terms on the right hand side. So it is 5i minus A, and then A inverse is 5i minus A by 7. You can very easily find out 5i minus A like this by 7. So after getting this, you are getting 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. This is the value of A inverse. Now there are 3 ways to find A inverse. In this chapter you have learned 3 ways to find A inverse. What are these ways? First is inverse by elementary operations, which you have read in 3rd chapter in exercise 3.4. By elementary row transformations or column transformations you can find the inverse. Secondly, you have learnt how to find inverse by taking adjoint of a matrix. And what was A inverse? Adjoint A by determinant A. And third, Like here we have taken an equation. Firstly you will prove an equation and then you can find A inverse. So these are the three methods by which you can find A inverse, and in exam whatever method will be told to you, you have to do accordingly. Now there is one important result. Suppose A is a matrix of order n by n, then what is the determinant of adjoint A? Determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A raised to power n minus 1. Determinant A, and what is the power? Whatever will be the order, you will reduce it by 1. For example, let A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant A is 5, then find adjoint A determinant. So what is the determinant of adjoint A? By formula it is what? Determinant A ki power what? Order reduced by 1. Order is what? 3 by 3. So replace it, reduce it by 1. 3 minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 2. So it will be determinant A का whole square. And what is determinant A? 5. So 5 square is equal to 25. So this is very important question. Now in the next module we will learn about the solutions of equation by matrix method. Solution of system of equations by matrix method. Thank you.